That's what that looks like, guys. See, there you go. So that's what we're doing, guys. So I'm just putting that in there, so as you can see. Okay, now. Welcome to another video, guys. Today I'll be cleaning the filter from the tractor that came with it. Find out why in this video, and please hit that like and subscribe. And we will see you in the next video. So down below, hit that subscribe button. Alright, guys, I have this filter here. It's 1940s, late 1940s, 1950s. I'm cleaning it off. It's actually going quite well, and I'm using the WD-40 cleaner and degreaser. Just found that today. Yeah, so just give it a try, and actually it works quite well. I'm actually amazed how well it works, and I'm using a little bit of Scotch-Brite and just rub it lightly, see, like that. And yeah, just giving it a try. And I want to keep this filter. Apparently it's a vintage, so yeah, there definitely is. I'm trying to keep it so that I can, you know, keep it in my, with my tractor on display or something. So just looks a lot better. It's coming. Just lightly rub it off, and yeah, just kind of like to preserve it. So, and I'm not promoting any of this, so the greaser, I'm just using it. It's not a paid promotion, so just so you guys know. Yeah, so we'll keep going. So yeah, here, see, it's starting to come nicely, guys. Just getting the top cleaned off here now. See what the top looks like, kind of. It's quite pitted, but that's okay. That's fine. See, starting to come. See. I don't know if I'll get it perfectly clean, but that's okay. Trying to anyway. See how nicely that's looking, guys? See, that's what it looks like. It's not too bad. We just want to try to preserve it so that, you know, I have something